Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this digital tire inflator. So LED light, you got copper motor, digital display. They offer a lifetime warranty. Couple things on the back here. You guys can pause the video if you want to read that, but let's get unboxing. So guys, what's cool is they come with tire stem valves. They also give you multiple different ends for different wheels. So you got multi-ends, bigger, smaller. You get an extra fuse. They give you a manual. It comes in this nice carrying bag, and this is it. So what I like about this right off the start is it's nice and compact. Everything is very clean. You got a light at the top up here. You know, it's easy to carry. It's lightweight. Again, it's very clean. Everything's tucked away, so you have this little compartment where all of your valves are, your line and everything. So this is going to be your air line, and then this is going to get plugged into your vehicle 12 volt, and then you're just going to connect what you need to connect to. So as we pull it out, you guys can see it can go pretty far, but also you have plenty of cable, so you can take it pretty far from your vehicle. Definitely enough room to fill your own vehicle tire if you need to. But overall, very nice unit so far. Alright guys, so once you have it plugged in and you have your key to the on position or ignition, you then have your setup here. Now, it's only blinking just because of our camera, so it's not blinking in person. So you got it on and off. You also have PSI, bar, kg, cm, and PSI, and you can set your PSI to whatever you want. And then you just simply press the power button. Once it hits the PSI, it will automatically shut off. You also have your light right here, so that gives you plenty of light if you're working in the dark. Overall, nice little unit here.